Okay, hello. I am going to be figuring out how to install Klipper Shake&Tune onto my Elegoo Neptune 4, and the hope is to speed it up. It should be able to go quite a bit faster than it is right now, but I'll go into that a bit later. Today I just really want to figure out how to install this, and I figured I'd make a video on it. Because why not? So step 1. I already have this because I already have resonance tuning working with Input Shaper. I just want to switch to this because from what I understand it's better. Not exactly sure why, but I figured I'd give it a shot. Okay, so we copy this, and then I already have a window ready to SSH in. Let me swap over to that. Oh, that's a weird scaling. Okay, I think you can see that, yeah. So let's paste this in. Doop-a-doop-a-doo. Now we just wait a bit. Alright, there we go. Successfully installed. Hooray. And then we have to add this part to our Klipper config. And that's most of it. Seems simple enough. I'm going to access my Klipper config through Orca Slicer just because it's a bit easier. I mean, it's not that it's a bit easier. I like it. It's my preferred method. It doesn't really matter. Oh, annoying sounds. Alright, this should have restarted by now. Yeah, I'll have that be my results folder. I really need to keep 10 results. Don't want to keep raw data. Show macros in the web GUI. Sure. I mean, these are all the defaults, so it doesn't super matter. I'll keep all the commented stuff for now. Yeah. Save and restart. Now the buttons should show up as soon as it's done restarting. Yeah, here they are. Sure. Oh, multi-accelerometer configurations are not supported for those. Oh, that really sucks. Damn. Okay, just let me to home everything first. The camera FPS is not as high as it could be, but this printer's connected over Wi-Fi, so I don't really want to push it more than I have to. It's enough to see what's going on. That's all I really need. Well, that goes. Let's talk about print speeds. Let's look into print speeds. I have a very conservative speed on my Neptune 4, especially considering the upgrades it has. But I just never really got to the point of pushing it more than any further than it has. Mostly because I've been focused on quality recently, and the quality's been really nice. But now I'm thinking I want to up the speed. And from what I was seeing on the Open Neptune Discord, I believe I have quite a bit of headroom to go before I start hitting flow rate limits, but we'll see. We'll see how that goes. I hate how long this takes. I mean, I know it has to take this long because it's a frequency measurement, but I'm just impatient. Alrighty, that's the x-axis done. It's going to generate a profile now. Oh, okay. It's a bit different to how the standard Klipper input shaper handles things, where it will run both and then do a calculation. At least that's what I remember it doing. Cool. Yeah, and now we can see the bed moving. I've also been thinking about changing the bed assembly. I've been looking at the Stinger LH printer bed. Wow, that's some really bad vibration. I don't know if the microphone's gonna pick that up, but damn, that's an annoying sound. Alright. It's just like 45 hertz that makes that really annoying sound. The main problem that I have with the bed assembly is that the linear rails come loose and it destroys everything, and it's a pain to fix. Yeah. save the... Oh, it does. That's actually really nice. How fun. Bunch of graphs I don't understand. I believe this is bad. From what I've understood, you want to have one sharp peak because you don't want to have secondary vibrations. But I don't know. I don't know. Not sure I'm the right person to decipher this, but hey, it's interesting. Sure is interesting. I'll also do this on my 4 and V0 and then maybe compare the results, see how it looks. But at least we have some nice max acceleration results for the Y. And for the X. Alright, well, I think that's what I'm going to call it, because I wanted this to mostly just be a guide, and then the next video is going to be increasing the speed on the Neptune 4. I don't know if there's a world record Neptune 4, but I'm going to call it. Hopefully I can get it going fast. I want to try that new bench test, or the Bodhi bench test, I should say. Yeah, that's about it.